Hi, my name's Angela, and I'm a community nutrition instructor for Jackson County MSU Extension. Today we will be making a tuna melt. You probably already have the ingredients for this recipe in your cupboards. This recipe is courtesy of Cooking Matters by Share Our Strength. For more information, visit cookingmatters.org. Don't forget to wash your hands for 20 seconds with warm soap and water. Collect the following ingredients to make your tuna melt: a lemon or lemon juice, a can of light tuna packed in water, low-fat cheddar cheese, or any cheese you might have in your house right now, low-fat mayonnaise, or you can use plain Greek yogurt, ground black pepper, and whole wheat sandwich bread. You could also add some dried dill, tarragon, or your favorite spice. You could also add some hot sauce to this. Other ingredients you might want to add: celery, radishes, tomatoes, really any vegetable you have in the house can be added to the mixture or served as a side. Today we will be adding some onion. You'll need to rinse and dice your vegetables. Today I am using an onion for some added flavor. Open and drain your tuna of excess water. Remember to rinse the lid of your cans before opening them. Grate your cheese. In the bowl, add your tuna, lemon juice, mayo or yogurt, and black pepper. Mix with a fork until combined. If you are using any dried herbs or hot sauce, you could stir that in now. Lightly spray the skillet before toasting. Over medium heat, add your bread. Cook until toasted on the bottom, which may take a couple minutes. Remove the bread using a spatula and add your tuna salad mixture on the toasted side. Sprinkle it with cheese. You could top it with some tomato slices or other vegetable here if you have them available. To get the cheese nice and melted, cover it with a lid. Once the cheese is melted and the other side is browned, remove from the pan with a spatula. Make sure to turn off your stove. Some other ways you could use these same ingredients: you could make a hot tuna casserole or a cold pasta salad.